Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ala majma'in. Viewers, today I am going to tell you 25 prophets name mentioned in Quran, part 3. Number 11, Hazrat Yusuf, Joseph alayhi salam. Number 12, Hazrat Shuaib, Jethro alayhi salam. Number 13, Hazrat Ayub, Job alayhi salam. Number 14, Hazrat Zulkifl, Ezekiel alayhi salam. Number 15, Hazrat Musa, Moses alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala